It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Launched in 2001, the Corolla Sportivo packed a turbocharged version with a 7AFE motor. Curiously, the Corolla Turbo was released just months before the all-new Corolla series, arriving in late 2001. The selling price of this vehicle was $37,990 Australian dollars. This 11 base Sportivo exists not because Toyota thought it needed a bigger stick with a Corolla badge, but rather because it was trying to prove a manufacturing point. Was it possible to build a car at one plant, modify it on the docks at another, then modify even further in another plant in another country, thousands of kilometers away? The fact that the Corolla Sportivo exists at all is proof that it worked. Toyota Australia's TCAM aftermarket operation did the development, testing and certification work on the Corolla Sportivo. Yet when it comes to modification, it attends only to the suspension, brakes and body kit installation. The turbo and intercooler are added not at Toyota's Takori plant, but where the core car is built, but at a facility at Shinmai near the docks where the cars are loaded and shipped to Australia. Corolla Sportivo was only available in Australia, only ever producing 110 of these vehicles. All were built in 2001 and only ever came in Aztec Gold, making the car stand out from the rest. Inside your car was the standard 11 trim, 2 power windows in the front while the rear windows had manual winders. Each individual car got its own limited edition badge. My build number is number 40. Modifications that I've done to this car is a boost gauge pillar mount, lowered springs and Anki RPF1 wheels, which I think really suits the car. Under the bonnet you'll find the turbocharged 7AFTE engine, which is a joint venture between Toyota and Tom. The 7AFTE is an untouched garden variety Corolla engine with a low boost turbo system added. This means the standard 9.5:1 static compression ratio is made to help maintain excellent boost, flexibility and all-round torque. The result is a reasonable 115 kilowatts or 156 horsepower and 237 Nm of torque compared to the standard 7AFE producing 85 kilowatts and only 114 horsepower and 154 Nm of torque.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!